Installed in May of 2007 at a cost of $1 million, these new trams and hangars are made of the same high-grade aluminum used in the aerospace industry and offer more viewing area than the original trams. They are two of the most modern trams in America, each able to carry 120 passengers and the operator. To your left is the entrance to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, the most visited national park in America. Over 9 million people visit each year. The park straddles the Tennessee-North Carolina border approximately 70 miles and covers 500,000 acres. For more information on the park, visit Sugarland's Visitor Center, located 2 miles south of Gatlinburg on Highway 441. We are slowing down to allow the other tram to cross the highest tower. The cabins are connected to each other by the center cable called the hall cable. So when they slow down, we slow down, and we both arrive at the terminals at the same time. The 3 cables have a total carrying capacity of over 1 million pounds. The system is computer operated but can be operated from inside the cabin. Aerial trams are the world's safest means of travel and are the most popular means of transportation in the mountains of Europe.
As you pass across the towers, it will swing just a little bit, so if you're standing, you might want to hold on.
You alright? Kane, is this fun?
Yes.
You like this?